Nearly 4,000 meters beneath the Atlantic Ocean, a forgotten giant has rested in complete silence for almost 30 years. Once carrying thousands of tons of valuable cargo, this enormous vessel has become a silent monument beneath the sea. Nature has slowly transformed cold steel into a thriving underwater ecosystem filled with countless forms of marine life. Every corridor and every shadow still holds the untold story of a ship that disappeared into the depths decades ago. Over the decades, this forgotten wreck has become a thriving sanctuary for countless marine creatures. Even the largest animals on Earth now pass peacefully above this silent giant beneath the Atlantic. Powerful predators also patrol these waters, making the ancient wreck part of their hunting territory. What was once a symbol of human engineering has become one of the ocean's most extraordinary living habitats. After decades beneath the Atlantic, the world's leading marine salvage teams finally begin an unprecedented recovery mission. Engineers deploy sophisticated robotic systems to inspect every damaged section before lifting begins. Specialized divers and robotic vehicles secure massive lifting cables capable of supporting thousands of tons. Everything is now in place. The most dangerous phase of the operation is about to begin. The first stage begins as massive lifting cables are carefully positioned beneath the giant wreck. Hydraulic cutting systems remove unstable sections to prevent the structure from collapsing during the lift. Every connection is inspected repeatedly because even the smallest mistake could jeopardize the entire operation. With every cable secured and every system checked, the team prepares for the most critical phase of the recovery. As the recovery continues, an unexpected group of visitors quietly approaches the dive team. The curious dolphins seem completely unafraid, turning a dangerous mission into an unforgettable encounter. Even in the deepest waters, moments of trust between humans and wildlife can appear when least expected.
For a brief moment, the Atlantic reveals a rare harmony between human determination and the wild beauty of the ocean.
Without warning, the largest animal on Earth silently enters the recovery zone. Its peaceful presence reminds the team that these waters belong to nature first.
In this extraordinary moment, humans and ocean giants coexist in remarkable harmony beneath the Atlantic.
Powerful predators arrive to investigate the unfamiliar sounds echoing through the deep Atlantic. After decades of silence, the giant finally begins to move. The seabed releases its grip as thousands of tons of steel slowly rise into the water. Marine life silently witnesses one of the greatest underwater recovery missions ever attempted. For the first time in decades, the forgotten giant leaves the ocean floor and begins its journey back toward the light. After decades beneath the Atlantic, the sealed cargo hold is finally opened. Some containers remain remarkably intact, while others have surrendered to decades of crushing pressure. One by one, the long-forgotten containers begin their slow journey back to the surface. Each recovered container brings another forgotten chapter of the Atlantic's hidden history back into the light. The forgotten giant finally begins its long journey back toward the surface. As the wreck rises, the Atlantic slowly welcomes it back into the light. History is being lifted from the ocean floor, one remarkable moment at a time.